In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a missing file attachment in Gmail. If you've ever misplaced an attachment and can't remember exactly who sent it or when, this quick method will help you zero in on it fast by searching for the file type. Start by opening your Gmail. At the very top of the screen, you'll see the search bar. Click into that search bar so your cursor is ready. Now, we're going to use a simple search operator that tells Gmail to look specifically at attachment file names. Type the word file name immediately followed by a colon, and then the file format you're looking for. There should be no space before or after the colon. For example, you would type filename.pdf and press enter. When you do that, Gmail will filter your emails to show messages that include PDF attachments. It's looking at the file type inside the attachment's file name, not just the subject or the message text, so it's surprisingly accurate when you know the format you need. You'll see results populate with messages that have PDFs attached, and from there, you can open the email and confirm it's the file you were after. If you're searching for a different kind of file, simply replace PDF with the format you want. For a compressed folder, type filename, zip. If you need a spreadsheet, try filename.xls. And for a video file, use filename.mp4. The structure stays exactly the same each time. File name, colon, and then the extension. Keep the format letters together with no spaces, like filename zip, and you're good to go. A few quick tips to keep this smooth. Make sure you're using the correct extension for the kind of file you expect. If you're not finding what you need, double-check your spelling of the format. The search is not case-sensitive, so file name, PDF, and filename.pdf work the same, but the colon and the extension are essential. Also, if your results feel too broad, try running the search again with a different format that better matches what you remember the attachment to be. Once the results are on screen, scan the list for the subject lines you recognize or open a message to preview the attachment. This method is especially helpful when you remember the type of file, but not the sender or date, and it keeps you from scrolling through pages of emails. That's it. Using file name searches is a fast, focused way to find missing attachments, and it works right from the search bar you already use every day.